In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on your PC. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. For example, me, I want to change this wallpaper or background. What I have to do, I will right click on my mouse and then I will go to display settings. Or before I click on that, I will click on right click and click on personalize and click, and then it's going to take me to background. So as you can see how to change it, just choose a picture. If you have some picture available here, for example, I click this one. For example, you want to browse and choose a picture from your device, your download. Just for example, I will use this picture. As you can see, I use it. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.